I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Adding a debit card to Paytm is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Open the Paytm app. Launch the Paytm app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Methods. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, then select Payment Methods from the menu. Step 3. Select Add Debit Card. In the Payment Methods section, look for the option to add debit card and tap on it. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your debit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Ensure the details are correct to avoid errors. Step 5. Verify and save. After entering the details, you may need to verify the card through an OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Once verified, save the card. Sometimes, the OTP might take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. If you don't receive it, check your network connection or try resending the OTP. I hope this guide helps you add your debit card to Paytm easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.